Hi, I'm Alex Deploy, and a warm welcome to the Magic Multiple Moving Average course. Quite a mouthful. I'm very happy that you've enrolled for this course, and I hope you learn something from this course that you will remember for the rest of your life. Let's quickly review what we're going to be doing on the course, and that really comes from the course objectives. I'm going to be teaching you the benefits of using the multiple moving averages in your Forex trading. So I'm going to teach you how to create the indicator from scratch. You're going to learn the common sense trading and analytical rules, the setups, and the signals created by this technique. You will also learn how you can quickly access trading opportunities for a single currency, and also learn how to evaluate a number of currencies at the same time to get the best overall market perspective of which currencies are phases each currency finds itself in, and which are the best trading opportunities. I'll also show you how to evaluate the trading signals using a number of time frames. And then lastly, we'll look at how you can incorporate this method into your own trading system if you like. Please ask as many questions and make as many comments as you like using the facilities provided. Your questions are very important to make the course grow and become a richer course for future students. Also, please remember to review and rate the course when you have completed it. This will help future students evaluate the benefits of this course. So let's get straight into it and move on to the next lecture.